Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Google Analytics to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So you have to open a browser and search here Google Analytics and open this website Google analytics.google.com. And now we are going to create a new account in Google Analytics. So click on start measuring. So now you have to fill up this form. So my new account name, give here your account name. So after that, scroll down. You can turn on this Google products and services option. Now click on next. And property setup, property name give here. And you can change the time zone or country from here. Also you can change the currency. And now click on show advanced options and create a universal analytics property. You must have to turn on this option. And now here you have to put your website URL. So I'm in my Wix dashboard and here is my domain name. All I have to do I'm going to copy the URL from here and I'm pasting it here without HTTPS and select this option and click on next. And in industry category, select a category from here and select business site. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Select option from here and click on create. Check this option, I accept. And after that, here you will get a tracking ID. So copy this tracking ID from here and go to your Wix dashboard. Open Wix and click on my sites and select a premium site from here. And once you're here on your site dashboard, scroll down, hover over on marketing and SEO and click on marketing integrations. And here you will get Google Analytics. Click on connect and click on add Google Analytics ID. And here you have to paste the Google Analytics tracking ID. So copy the ID again and paste it here. And check this option here and click on save. So this is how we can add Google Analytics to our Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.